Cakery. Where have I been? Well, I had eye surgery. I'm pretty sure you guys might have noticed that when I'm talking in my videos, sometimes my eyes kind of wanders to the side. I had eye surgery to get that fixed. School has also started, so that's also been keeping us busy. And a lot has just been going on. But I have gotten some cakes in, and I want to show you what I've been up to. The first cake I want to show you is my unicorn cake. I've been making cakes for a year now, so I wanted to challenge myself by recreating my very first cake, which was a unicorn cake. So here is my first cake, and here is the one I made. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Cake number 2 is technically not a cake. It's a bunch of cupcakes. 68 cupcakes to be exact. Our homeless outreach had some cooling stations here in town, so I wanted to do something nice for the homeless people who are staying there. So I decided to make them a bunch of cupcakes. And here they are. Cake number 3 is a Barbie cake. You might have heard of the movie that came out recently.
It's everywhere.
So I turned out a Barbie cake. And here it is. Cake number 4 is
simple.
Cake number 4 is a simple chocolate cake, because not everyone wants a hyper-realistic cactus cake, which I have done, but that might be a later video. I might show you that later. But here is the chocolate cake. Tell me what you think in the comments below. So cake number 5 was a birthday request. They told me that they liked hearts and pink and blue. That's all they gave me to work with. So here it is. What do you think? Cake number 6, I saved the best one for last. This was my first time using an edible image. And I made it, I didn't make it. I got an edible image of a Sudoku puzzle, and my grandpa, whose the cake was for his birthday, he had to solve it with this, an edible marker. And he had to solve it before he could eat it. I made an interactive cake. Here it is, and tell me what you think in the comments below. So that's what I've been up to the last month. Which of the cakes was your favorite? Also, I still have several cakes still planned out. Like I have a Nightmare Before Christmas cake that you'll be seeing very soon, a One Punch Man cake, and a burger cake. And I haven't forgotten about the challenges that you guys gave me, like the Squashmallow, the Butterfly, and Rengoku Sword Skill. Those will be coming soon. If you have any other cake challenges for me to try, leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, as it really helps out my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!